Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to dark and light mode Google Chrome in computer. So how to dark and light mode Google Chrome in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To change to dark mode Google Chrome, just move the cursor to the bottom right corner of the screen display. Here there is a customize icon. Tap this icon. Now it will enter the customize menu. Here there are many menu options that you can choose. Here there is a dark menu. To change to dark mode, tap the dark icon. Now here it has become dark mode. Next, I will change it back to light mode. Move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon, and tap. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. At the bottom, select More Tools. And select Customize Chrome. Well, you will enter the Customize menu. Here there are many menu options that you can choose from. To change to light mode, tap the light icon. So that's it, tutorial how to dark and light mode Google Chrome on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.